Here's how to check mobile number owner's name. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a way on how you can check mobile number owner's name. So make sure you stick around until the end to exactly know what to do. So you first need to go ahead and know the number that you want to check. So I already have the number, so I'm just going to show you how you can check it out. You simply need to go to your web browser. I'm using Safari. You could use any other web browser if you would like to, but yeah, just go to your Safari web browser and basically type in reverse phone lookup. It would say something like this here, as you can see, and you'll see some links with sponsored. So you just don't want to go for the sponsored links. It could be a Truecaller link or a website by its own name called reverse phone number lookup, something like that. But I'm just gonna use Truecallers because it's also a trusted and reliable website to find out numbers. So I'm just gonna paste in the number, and here we go. Let's just see. And yeah, here as you can see, it's a shop, and the number that it's suggesting, it also gives the address as well, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty helpful. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can check mobile number owner's name. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.